Hey, I am Mohammed, an Excel and Google Sheets expert, and in this video, I will walk you through our lead tracker that I created for an architecture company. So let's get started. The lead tracker was simple but yet really powerful for tracking their leads. So there are basically three sheets, but there are two main sheets inside the tracker. The first one are the input sheet, and the second one is the dashboard sheet. And the third was used as a helper sheet for creating these drop downs. So let me walk you through over each and every detail. The client gets a new lead. They'll just enter their name, select their type, select the source from which they come in, and there are few status columns for each lead. Like first status, they're gonna set like contacted. The second was like uh, phone consultation set, phone consultation completed, send a proposal waiting for approval. The third will be like a deal or any kind of uh, simple stuff like they are gotten lost or they are on hold. So like these, I have few status column for them, and the next column will be like a date from which they come in. The third one are the notes made by the client for each lead if they want. So the second main sheet in the workbook is the dashboard. So first they selected the date range there. They're just gonna type the start date and the end date, and all the data below here in the dashboard will gonna updated and will gonna come only that lies in that date range. So first will be the activity KPIs, total leads in that time date range selected, phone consults completed, site visit, estimates sent, outcome APIs, total proposal sent, deals closed, deals lost, percentage of deals converted, leads converted, overall close rate, and then there is a performance table for each and every source, like total leads for each source, total deals, close rate for each source. I have applied a conditional formatting there, like if it is below then the close rate is below than the 10, they're gonna just comes up the red color comes up there. If they are above then the range 10 to like a 40, or they're gonna comes up in orange. If it is more than 40, the color comes up in green. And the third table is like a type of breakdown for each type: residential, commercial, or public work, in which purpose of total leads and percentage of total leads, closed deals. And that's it for the dashboard. It was really simple because client only needs a few parameters to track on. So I have designed it like that so it looks visually appealing. And there is like a print report of button here is uh, present, in which like what it does, if they want to click it, the report will come, the complete dashboard report will come as a print, and also it gonna save that as a PDF in their system as well. So both of these two works gets done with just one click. And uh, there will when they're gonna comes in with a new lead, they're gonna just enter their name, and the leads comes up, the row comes up in that table, and dashboard will automatically trace that and includes that in these metrics as well. So like if they have any more data coming in which they're gonna show, and so dashboard will gonna be updated successfully. No need to bother formulas each and every time, because I have used used a table for the input sheet, and all the formulas as you can see in the formula bars, like all these are controlled through these tables. So there's no any kind of fixed ranges in these formulas, so they're not gonna face any kind of trouble with the new data coming in. So if you need similar leads tracker or pipelines for your business or any kind of Excel automation within your workbook, or requires a new Excel automated workbook, feel free to reach out. Thank you, Mohammed.